I hope the food gonna be nice and good and tasteful, and we'll see. Hello, hello, and welcome back. And today we are going to a new place, Doma. It's in Wynwood, Miami. I never been here before, but I found out in Instagram actually. So let's see, let's try. Nice pre-open kitchen, place outside, I guess. But it's still hot. So we're gonna take the meatballs, we're gonna take the tuna tartar, and some specials from the kitchen. Main course, the special for tonight, it's a lobster. No, it's a pasta with lobster. But I asked for the gluten-free pasta. So we'll see, we'll try. And it's gonna be sea bass and the salt in the oven and with the show. Meatballs, where's the balls? But tuna tartar looks amazing. And some bread, gluten-free. The carrot? Yeah, look at the carrot. I like it. So good. Fresh. It's big. They're just the meatballs. But presentation amazing. Gluten-free pasta. I never tried before, but this place offered it to me. Nice. Actually, it tastes like a real pasta, but more healthy. Let's try this baby. Sea bass in the house. He has the magic hands. So good. Oh my god, that's very salty. But the fish is good. Dinner is almost finished, and actually we just cleaned up the plate. It was so good. And actually they make the spinach very salty, but they was replacing it like, I don't know, in 3 minutes. It was really good. I like the fish and I like the lobster. I like everything. So now it's dessert time. Actually, it's really nice place. Very cute, new, and food is unbelievable. Wow. Gelato. Oh, this is so Italian. Love it. 10 of 10. So good. Yummy. Great. Nice restaurant. Bye. We're gonna come back. Oh, the food was amazing. I like this place, and we're definitely gonna come back. We are going for the dinner in the South Beach for the beautiful sunset, and we found this restaurant actually in Instagram, and check it out. Instagram, it looks amazing, right? So right now I'm waiting for my beautiful friend, which one always late, but beautiful woman has to be late. So we're going to show you a new place for the nice, I guess, romantic, beautiful evening. Here's my baby.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So we're in South Beach. For me, let's try oysters, but sauce on the side, right? And I think I will take salmon sashimi. It's good? Yeah. So today it's a trio. My beautiful babies. Thank you to join me for this nice, beautiful evening. So we already ordered some appetizers, so main course, I don't know. Oysters.
Beef carpaccio,
What do you order?
tuna tartare.
Tuna tartare. So we are just not that hungry, I guess. And actually we are waiting for the sunset.
Yeah.
Should be beautiful. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very healthy table. Magic. Oh, this smells so good. Что у тебя там?
Tuna tartare.
Tuna tartare.
Напишите.
Sashimi. Фоторепортаж.
Да.
I think the sunset is coming. Maybe today. No, not yet. I love it. I love Miami. So we just had a dinner. My oysters was good, but not the best, obviously. And tartare. How was your carpaccio?
My carpaccio was a bit fat. I don't like it.
But it's greasy. It was very greasy. How was your one?
Perfect.
Yeah, she never shared actually. She's the bitch on the house.
А вы не... Да, блин, надо было же попробовать. Sorry.
Yeah, now she feels a little shame.
Yes.
Finish our dinner. Mosquitoes biting, eating us out. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Souvenir. All for you. This is the one drinking person. This is not drinking. No. This one is not drinking. The girls happily going home.
Yeah.
And our dinner was like 150, right? So we split it, and actually everyone paid like $60. Haha. Because we are girls and we like to split. We never pay for anyone. Thank you for watching. I love you all. XOXO. Mwah. Right now we are going for the dinner, and outside is a little raining. Hi from Miami. But we are looking good. So we are happy. It's a Friday in Miami. This time I was trying to make the content on the Friday night, and we went in a beautiful rooftop restaurant, but it was too much people, it was too loud, and actually it's impossible to film something. So I was able to make only a little bit of the content with my beautiful friend and just a little bit of the food, but nothing else, because again it was too loud. And remember, pumpkins, I love you all. XOXO.